How much will XRP be worth after the Great Reset? XRP will take its throne as the leading cryptocurrency back. As with the passage of time, the price of XRP is increasing. XRP is going really well, and soon it will blow up the market. Various experts are predicting it even higher and higher. In order to know more about XRP, then stick to the video till the end. Welcome back, guys. In today's video we will talk about how much will XRP be worth after the Great Reset. So without any further delay, let's get into the video.
Do you want to win any of these items on your screen? If so, be sure to watch the whole video, leave a like, and comment the hidden message. And with that being said, let's get right into the video.
XRP is also sometimes known as Ripple. The proper name used for XRP is actually Ripple, however, it is referred with the name of XRP these days to avoid mixing. It is a technology that plays a role in both digital cryptocurrency and payment networks for sending and receiving transactions. McCaleb and Larsen created it. The release of Ripple came into existence in 2012, and the coin for the cryptocurrency was specified as XRP. XRP is the native digital currency on the ledger. This ledger has all the features of blockchain: permissionless, open source, decentralized, and distributed, and has the ability of quick and fast transactions in 3 to 5 seconds. It has the third largest market value digital currency after Bitcoin and Ethereum. XRP is the fastest and most scalable digital asset, enabling real-time global payments anywhere in the world. Using XRP, banks can source liquidity on demand in real time without having to pre-fund nostro accounts. Payment providers use XRP to expand reach into new markets, lower foreign exchange costs, and provide faster payment settlement. XRP is designed to act as a joint between fiat currencies. XRP is working with more than 10 currency exchanges to help in sending values worldwide efficiently and quickly. Its scalability is much better than Bitcoin. Bitcoin processes up to 7 transactions per second, some of them can take longer than 2 hours to evacuate. By comparing it with fiat transaction services like Visa, which averages 2,000 transactions per second, you can see that Bitcoins do not have the scalability to satisfy the expected customer requirements. XRP is perfectly positioned to serve as a world reserve currency. It can be held in significant quantities to provide liquidity for foreign exchange reserves, international transactions, and investments, and all other uses throughout a global economy. It will solve the debt crisis without devaluing fiat currencies. For example, the US government and other governments could buy XRP at very low OTC rates, which wouldn't drive prices up on the retail exchanges. Likewise, major financial institutions could also stock up on XRP at extremely attractive prices. When all systems, policies, and agreements are in place, they simply announce that XRP will serve as a reserve currency. This drives utility and demand, which rapidly increases the price of XRP. The governments could then settle their debts using XRP, which would not devalue their fiat, because they would not be printing any additional dollars or other fiat currencies. This would explain why the US administration, the IMF, and the World Bank have been so positive about Ripple Labs, XRapid, and XRP. It would also explain why the SEC and other federal agencies have not yet weighed in on XRP's status as a security or other type of asset. It would also explain why the price of XRP has been very steady at a low price for more than 15 months, despite a constant stream of positive news about partnerships, production deals, and so forth. My prediction is that we will see such an announcement within the next 24 months, followed by significant, sustained price growth for XRP over the course of a decade or more. Ripple was cleared for takeoff and began to soar after a solid breakout from a downtrend line that acted as resistance for 3 years in a row. In no time at all, XRP spiked to as high as 90 cents per token, but the United States SEC issued a lawsuit against the token's parent company, claiming that the asset is an unregistered security and therefore illegal for US platforms to offer trading of the asset. XRP tanked, but already it has set a new high of more than $1 above the initial SEC-related sell-off. With a new higher high set, XRP could rise to as high as $4 in the near term. What would be the worth of XRP after the Great Reset? What are the experts' predictions? Well, you will get satisfactory answers to all these questions. But before moving toward this, you should know that what is the Great Reset? Well, as you guys know, there is an urgent need for global stakeholders to cooperate in simultaneously managing the direct consequences of the COVID-19 crisis. To improve the state of the World Economic Forum is starting the Great Reset initiative. As we enter a unique window of opportunity to shape the recovery, this initiative will offer insights to help inform all those determining the future state of global relations, the direction of national economies, the priorities of societies, the nature of business models, and the management of a global commons. Drawing from the vision and vast expertise of the leaders engaged across the forum's communities, the Great Reset initiative has a set of dimensions to build a new social contract that honors the dignity of every human being. But how is XRP related to the Great Reset? Do you guys have any ideas? On the website of the World Economic Forum, Ripple is mentioned as the partners. Well, that's quite surprising. And the Great Reset will try to transfer the current financial system into a fully digital form. The government should be involved in the financial system instead, only in the spirit of good governance. So this reset requires a financial technology whose purpose should be to connect underbanked and unbanked countries or populations to the digital economy, and moreover that will contribute to small businesses for social and economic benefits. How it contributes to small businesses? It improves the small business groups in various exciting ways. Ripple XRP is the real future of fintech with a purpose to reach the remotest and unbanked. Now you can guess what that will mean to XRP and what impact this is going to have on XRP. The day when banks and financial institutions will start using digital assets for their everyday business is not very far away. It is true that the cryptocurrency industry is in its infancy. Being an early player, XRP is a sure winner. They are helping build the banking trends of the future. XRP has a clear purpose in the process of making it possible for financial institutions to send money across borders quickly and cheaply to customers and businesses across the world everywhere. With Ripple, users are able to avoid the regular constraints like the waiting time and the high transaction fees. With fiat currencies expected to fall, while cryptocurrencies, which are hard-capped and deflationary, are expected to grow to new heights and show their true power as the future of money. Ripple will be part of that new future of finance for sure. How are the features of XRP making it everyone's favorite? Any guesses? XRP is worth it after the Great Reset. Well, I am pretty sure that you guys must be thinking, is that what will be the worth of XRP after the Great Reset? Is it going to explode, or XRP can make its way to the top cryptocurrencies? Believe it or not, the Ripple price had one of the craziest rallies in the past days, jumping by 100% to a 3-year high of $1.19. That's quite amazing. Despite the ongoing SEC lawsuit against Ripple, XRP holders have grown confident in the digital asset and managed to push it above several important resistance levels. Ripple, who is behind the XRP, is working on fast, instant, reliable, and cost-effective cross-border real-time payments and other activities related to the money transmissions using XRP. Ripple are continuing to expand their remittance markets to all countries in the world. They are exploring the pros and cons of the public policies while working towards key actions to improve the future development of this market. Ripple are trying to take their remittance services to every remote corner of the world, whether to Asia, Africa, or any other country. They are trying to reach out to the remotest corners of the world to ensure quick remittance. Remittances are crucial for the economic and social development of every country. Every payment ecosystem is complex, subject to geographical and cultural attitudes. There are different fundamental issues in different payment landscapes. Ripple is trying to take a practical approach to ensure that the blockchain technology is able to cater to the needs of the remotest culture, therefore making high-performance technology possible for everyone. After the World Economic Forum and the Great Reset, Ripple is also expected to work with more European, Latin and American banks to further promote both XRP and Ripple payment technology. Such advances could lead to significant price changes in the token price of the XRP. XRP price predictions after the Great Reset. XRP is going to explode in the near future. The Great Reset is the ladder for XRP to take the crown of being number one away from the Bitcoin and take XRP to the moon. Guys, XRP is becoming everyone's favorite, and even the celebrities like Elon Musk are also tweeting about XRP. But another personality, a notorious former blackjack player and businessman, has also made a prediction about XRP. He predicted that XRP is designed to reach a value of $10,000 per token. Easy to buy and to have a good future. The users of XRP are confident that it will gain success one day, as it has the aim of sending money from one country to another with lower price, quick and more ease. For individuals, there are many exchanges for Ripple that allow buying XRP currency. For institutions, it is better to contact Ripple directly with Ripple. According to the experts, if Ripple XRP is used for every retail transaction and cross-border currency transfer, its price will reach 10,000 within 5 years. This is some huge news for XRP army, and people are thinking of investing in the fourth largest cryptocurrency of the world. XRP is one of the cryptocurrencies and investment choices. Those who are investing are impatient when they see their money is not multiplying as they expected it to be. As a technology, Ripple is doing a great job, but from investors' standpoint, it is yet to score more. What do you think? Will the Great Reset make XRP worth the price of Bitcoin and even more? Let us know in the comments section. Thanks for watching.